Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MyPillow Classic. This is the medium fill. They have a couple of different options for these pillows. Really excited about this, and before I forget, I will post a link to this in my video description below so you can check it out on Amazon yourself. Here's how it comes packaged to you. Really cool packaging. 10-year warranty, 60-night money-back guarantee, so I can't wait to try it out, see if it's something I like, but I've heard great things. So here it is from the side. This is a standard queen medium fill, and we have a fitting guide right here, which is helpful. See if you can make sure you can see that. So we have small for women, medium fill, small for men, medium fill, medium for women, medium fill, medium for men, medium fill, and that's a t-shirt sizing. So depending on what sort of t-shirt you wear, this is how they recommend what pillow you should take. Large for medium fill for women, and large would be a firm fill for men. So, and then XL, XXL would be the firm fill for both male and female, men and women. So, looks really nice. Here's the front again. Here is the side, where I guess it tries to explain the technology and how it aligns your spine and your neck and all that for deeper, better, longer sleep. And then the back looks like just kind of testimonial to how it got started and made in USA product, that sort of thing. So that being said, let's just try to open it right up. Ooh, I like it. Nothing else in the box. And here we have the pillow. Go ahead and take it out of the packaging. See the little card in here, if we can get it. Alright, so here is how you register for your 10-year warranty. Pretty neat. And then what's cool, I didn't see this before, but they give you a little Proverbs. This is Proverbs 3:6. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will make your path straight. So that's really cool that just kind of give you that in there as well. So really exciting stuff. Looks like a great pillow. We'll find out after I sleep on it tonight. Trying to think what you may want to see with that, but I mean, this is not the firmest one. This is medium. So I don't know if bunching it up helps. But it feels really good. I mean, excited to give it a shot. And yes, this is unboxing MyPillow. Again, the link to this product will be in the video description below. You can check it out on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Stay tuned. Maybe sometime in Twitter or in another video I'll let you know how I like it. And I'll see you in the next video.